Sorry, I'm just trying to connect the Bluetooth,
Oh, I'm not sure why, but
the Bluetooth.
I think your connection is not
Yeah,
stable. I can't hear
but
you.
I can't.
Can you hear me? Oh, it's freezing. Can you hear me?
I will log out and connect again with
Okay,
you.
of course, of
Uh,
course.
yeah. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. Just you're freezing. You can log out and
Uh,
back
but
in.
I but I will log out and connect again. Yeah. So
Well, is it okay now?
okay,
Okay,
it's
very
okay.
good. Well, let's keep going. Just I'm
Yeah.
sharing. Okay. Well, I don't know why, but it's not, I don't know, maybe something wrong with connection or like. Okay, let's keep going. So this is our first paragraph. Okay. Now we have another paragraph. So what I should discuss in my first paragraph? What? The second main point, right? Learning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I discussed the second one. Okay, you help me. So, what is my topic sentence?
Can you let me
Yes.
see the
Yeah, of course,
introduction.
of course. Just
Yeah.
give me one line as a
Uh,
topic sentence.
Next, social media also uh,
Yes.
mm,
Try to use.
I'm
No, let me
trying to
say it.
paraphrase it.
Don't make it hard. Influence. Okay, you can have the synonym affect. Affects learning. Social media also affects learning. That's it. So this is my second paragraph.
Okay.
Yeah. So social media also affects learning. Okay, now I should discuss it. Now I should explain how. Okay. Let's discuss two sides. I say on one hand, okay, it provides access to educational resources and online maybe like let me write it here so you can see okay and maybe online resources so this is or no I don't want to repeat it so I say courses for example online courses it's better okay so or educational and online resources or for example educational resources online courses whatever so it's your choice okay on the other hand this is positive on the other hand so I have two key phrases here don't forget one hand on the one hand on the other hand you need them okay when you want to discuss advantage two different sides you need these two phrases so they're good phrases On one hand, on the other hand, so let's say, what is the negative point? It can be distracting. It can be distracting. Yeah. And maybe it can reduce concentration. So it's distracting. Okay, so this is negative side. For example, I don't want to say for example. From now on, okay, when you want to say for example, you should say for instance, writing. For instance, this for example, but it's better way. Okay, so more advanced. For instance, okay, let's see. Give an example. Let me create an example. So, for instance, this one is important. For instance, uh, students may spend hours on social media rather than studying, right? Which
Yeah.
impacts their academic performances. That's it. Paragraph 2 is done. Is it hard? No.
No, it's not hard, but like it's hard to create this.
Yeah. Idea. Idea is
Yeah, the
important.
idea. Yeah,
Yes, of course. Oh, where am I? Why I
it's
can't?
really hard
Yeah, first.
to think about the idea.
Yes. So first, you need to have an idea about it. So I will help you how to. Because like we have some methods. And so first, you need to have some keywords. Then you can like a tree with branches. Okay. So you think about one
Yes.
word, then you make some branches. Okay. For example, I want to talk about food like this. Okay, food. I write food, the middle. Then I say, okay, food. Delicious is one word. Fat, obesity, negative side. Okay, and different cuisine. Okay, like maybe. And we can say that fast food, another word. I write some keywords. Then I check. I need this, but I don't need that. This is actually how to brainstorm to get the idea. That is a good method I will teach you later. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. And the last one, just let me, okay. We have another paragraph, but it's optional. I'm not going to write it now. So as I told you, the third paragraph is optional. So we can also discuss another. So now we talked about mental health and learning, communication and learning. Okay, maybe mental health. Okay, so we can discuss it. So it's optional. But now let's keep going with my conclusion. Okay, so I need to write my conclusion. Okay, so how to write it? As I told you, your conclusion, okay, conclusion. It's summary. Summarize your points, what you discussed, and don't forget, give your opinion if asked. It's important. If asked. For example, most of the time you have this phrase, in conclusion, just for example, social media has both positive and negative effects on young people. Overall, in conclusion, or overall, as you can see, I have two good phrases, like one word overall and this in conclusion, good for your conclusion. Overall, while social media provides, for example, opportunities for connection, it also presents challenges that must be, for example, managed like this. So this is a summary, okay? let's see. So I want to summarize what I discussed. So let's see how to do this. In conclusion, as I told you, in conclusion, social media has both positive and negative effects on young people. Okay? While it offers opportunities, opportunities for communication, communication and learning. I discussed this too, right? It also, as I said, presents challenges that need careful, for example, management. That's it. Finished. This is our essay. Okay? Now, let's see what I need here. You see, okay, it's not easy. The first thing that you need to use, linking words, really important. Linking words, okay. Why? Because you want to make sure your essay actually flows. That's really important. Don't repeat. Avoid repeat the same words. It's really important. Use synonyms and paraphrases. It's really important. And don't forget, include examples and evidence. That's really important. Of course, whenever possible, I don't want to say that always. If it's possible, you can do. If no, it's okay. You don't need. Okay. So this is all you need to know. Actually, this is the base about B.Tech essay. So this is what you need to know. Okay. But let's talk about word limit again. So for first you need to, so first let's discuss this and then I will talk because I want to give you the number of word that is better to be written. Yeah. As I told
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
if your ideal, for example, if your essay is 250 words, just if, let's divide it. Your introduction would be like, okay, just let me type it here. Okay. Your introduction can be between like 45 is good, maybe to 50 words. This is your introduction. Body one, body paragraph one, like this, 70, 80. Body two again, the same, 70, 80, like 75 is good. Conclusion again, 30 to 50. Like this. So as you can see, I divide into different parts. Body paragraphs are longer. Okay, they should be the same. No, maybe my first paragraph is shorter than the second one. There is no rule that, okay, they should be exactly the same, like, 70 or 7. No, just this is like, maybe my second point actually includes more details or more examples. So it's longer than the first. So it depends. Just I want to say that you need to consider that actually balance content and stay within limit is important. This is it's really important. But I think uh 25 to 250 or maybe 300, that can be an ideal. So okay. And what else? Let me see. Uh the first thing that you need to do here is to plan. So if I have two paragraphs, three paragraphs, how many? Okay, main points. Don't repeat your idea. That is really important. And academic vocabulary. This language is formal language. No informal, no slang, no casual, nothing. Formal language, completely formal. So academic vocabulary are needed. And uh, just of course, yeah, maybe very, really, I don't know, like just. Don't use them. They're not good. We don't use fillers. So this is a formal writing, so you don't need to very, really, I don't know, just maybe it's necessary, so you can use. But I want to say that no, don't. And if you want to provide examples, just provide them wisely. That is really important. Okay. So
Okay, okay.
one, of course, if you want to, for example, one strong example is okay. Some students, for example, when I say example, two, three, okay, but weak examples. No, it's not good. It's just one, but a strong, good one. Okay, just this. So that's not everything. So that's important, and that's it. Okay, do you have any questions like about this?
No, but I just want to know that for like longer essays, like you say extended essays, um, about
Essay?
4,000,
Sorry.
yeah, essays
No. You say
about
yeah, this one. Okay, got it.
like extended essays,
Extended essay.
like
Yes.
about 4,000 words. Yeah.
Yeah, that is different.
Yeah. Can we like give more ideas, give more like uh, uh parts in the body graphs? I
Okay, so
mean,
if you want, so how to write extended essay, yeah, consists of, for example, plus 1,000 words, you mean? So if we need
yeah,
to add more ideas, you mean?
yeah.
Well, let's see how to write it. The structure is the same, okay? The structure is completely the same, similar, but how to write it? Of course, you need to give more details, okay? And like you need to discuss, maybe give more examples, more details. Maybe you have, for example, here I discuss only two main points, so sometimes I have more. So actually my paragraphs, yeah, would be like longer than this. So this way, but the number of paragraphs for main body, for example, is three. Okay, not more. For example, I don't have just five or six paragraphs, but they're longer. Okay, so maybe I can discuss one or two points in one paragraph. So I divide them into. Okay, I would teach you, but here, because let me say something. Actually, when we say BTech essay, okay, that is like we have student assignment, essay student assignment, okay? Normally we refer to short assignments, okay? So it should be practical, it should be like real rate, like application like this. Okay, so not just a theory that just follows some structures. Okay, like this. Because of this, when we say a short assignment or, for example, student assignment, okay, so I feel like that, yeah, you can add more ideas. Of course, when you want to expand your answer, of course, you can do this, and I will teach you how to do it. The next time we will discuss it. And the only
Mhm.
thing that first, if you want to like expand your answer, please just focus on direct answers, okay, to the task. We don't need extra because some students feel like that, okay, let's write more and more, then I can boost my. No, it's not. Short, but main points and like, if you have personal opinion, definitely avoid. This is not like something about your opinion. Avoid your personal opinion just for expanding your answer. No. Okay? unless asked. If the question asks you, you can add. If no, avoid, definitely avoid personal opinion. Don't give reason. I think it would be better if we, for example, we can know we don't need it. And of course, it's like clear, formal, direct, adding main points, avoid personal opinions. So there are some key words that you actually key points that you need to know when writing. And of course, when it comes to standard, and of course, as I told you, longer essays. So you need to add more details. But how? How to manage your essay? So it's something different that we will discuss later. Okay. Well, so I can do something. I will send you, just I will give you a topic to write about. Can you do this? Do you think you have time to do it? And then you will send me.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
will, yes,
Totally, totally.
yeah, I will correct it for you. I will correct it, and yes,
Oh,
I will rewrite it for you. Okay?
oh, why are you so kind?
No, of course. I wanted to see, because we are focusing, this part is really important and a little bit challenging. So I will find just a good topic and send you the question. And of course, you will write and I will highlight your mistakes, give me the reason that why there are mistakes. And of course, I will rewrite and give you a refined version. Okay?
Yeah, it's totally okay. Can I like capture the screen?
Yeah,
Can
of
I
course,
capture
you
the
can
screen?
take screenshot. Yeah, from the beginning. I think here. Okay.
Okay.
Scroll down,
Okay, can you, yeah, scroll
scroll
down.
down. Okay, here.
Okay,
And the last part
okay,
is here.
okay, thank you. Like I have a dream of starting bachelor, the
Starting,
bachelor degree, the the
yeah,
the higher than the university.
yes,
So it's really important that I have to study about like writing
of course,
essays and yeah
of course,
assignments, like
of course.
in yeah. So yeah, I really want to study the writing skills and everything about it
Of course, I
to
will
have
help. So
yeah.
no worries and no problem. Just you can make it. Just the only thing that I can say here, I know writing, just the name writing is a little just I don't know, scary. Most of Canada students like, okay, this is writing because we need to create something. So it can be a
Yeah, yeah.
little bit confusing, but no, it's not. It's not difficult at all. So you will see how easy it will be step by step when you practice, when you learn the structure, and of course when you have that, just the list of vocabulary that you need. So like this, no, it will be okay. So I will help, no worries at all, and you can get it. So
Okay.
yeah,
Thank you very
okay,
much.
you're
But
welcome.
mhm.
And do you have any other questions?
No,
Okay,
it's
so have a great night
okay.
and see you.
Have a great day. See you.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.